Everybody is looking for the next big innovation in safety gear. Look no further than the SST4 micro and mini gas monitors. These pint-sized powerhouses pack a punch when it comes to safety. With 4 gas detection, they keep an eye on combustible gases, oxygen, carbon monoxide, and hydrogen sulfide. Built for the toughest environments, their rugged design boasts an IP65-68 rating, meaning dust and water don't stand a chance. Plus, a screen bumper keeps visibility crystal clear. User friendliness? Nailed it. A large LCD screen and 1-button operation make these devices perfect even for gloved hands. And with built-in near-field communication, setup and data download are a breeze. Wireless charging? Absolutely. Say goodbye to tangle cords and hello to quick 2 to 3 hour charging. And that battery life? Up to 48 hours for the micro and a whopping 200 hours for the mini. Speed matters. With the fastest T90 response time in their class, the SST4 range alerts you to hazards in record time. And with a 95 dB alarm, you won't miss a beat. Whether you're in oil and gas, hazmat, or the steel industry, the SST4 Micro and Mini are your go-to for reliable, efficient gas detection. Stay safe, stay ahead. Choose the SST4 Micro and Mini.